Today I will be filming my February BellaBox. I got this today in the mail and finally I can make a video on the same day that I actually get this. I've already had a sneak peek on the inside because I'm just too curious and I can't wait that long. But this month's box, it says there's a big something something in here, which is really cute. And then we've got the card, which is loved up. It's a very, very cute card right there, with all the information on there. Okay, so first thing that I see in the box, which I knew everybody else was going to get, is the Original Source. It is Original Source, yeah. The Original Source Moisturizing Shower Milk. And that's what that looks like. Very good. This is vegan, natural moisturizers. It's green, banana and bamboo. I haven't actually smelt this. Oh, that's really nice. I really like these, especially because they are cruelty free, they're natural, they're tested on us, which I think is really good. It's a recyclable bottle. This is absolutely what I love in a company. Like, these are all of my favorite things, so I'm definitely going to use that. And I have had these before and I do love them. The next thing I see in the box is a teeny tiny little perfect facial oil. It says here helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. 9 oils. That's actually really good. I love this company actually. I've got their serum, their facial serum, and I really do like that. I use that pretty much every day. That is my morning moisturizer that I use, and I usually do like to use oils at night unless it's way too late like it is right now. So I'll probably just use the serum instead, but that's very good. Those are like some of my favorite things. Next thing I see in here is from, I don't know if I'm gonna say this correct, but I think it's pronounced La Roche-Posay. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but we've been getting a lot of this brand lately. This is a purifying foaming gel for oily sensitive skin. Now I don't really have oily skin, I'm more on the dry side. Especially like right now I don't have anything on my face. So I don't know if that's going to work so well for me, but I'd still give it a try. So it just looks like that. Little tiny tube. I haven't been saying the prices for anything. This is $4 and you can get that at Kohl's, Woolworths or selected IGA stores, which I've seen these around plenty of times. This little sample, you can get the 30 ml for $20 at Priceline or Chemist Warehouse. And then you've got this little La Roche-Posay. 200 ml is $24.95 at Priceline or Chemist Warehouse. And I do see this brand there a lot. I'm actually not 100% sure if they are cruelty free. I would need to check that out. I know that Palmer's, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Palmer's is against animal testing, so it says that they're on their teeny little packaging, which is really good. That is stuff that I need to see. Okay, next is something that we all got in the box. It's this tiny, I've got that upside down. This tiny little box right here. It's, I chose the, I can't remember, is it Fantasy? I think that's the color. I'm not 100% sure, I can't remember. I did choose this like way in the beginning of the month. Okay, so that's the color. That's Fantasy. Mine is supposed to be a highlighter, blush and shadow. I don't know if they all were. And this is from the brand Mana Kadar. I think we got something from this brand before. Alright, so that's the swatch right there. Let's see how that swatches on my hand. Oh! That's actually really nice. I think I would actually use this as like a shimmery blush. I don't know if you can see that on my hand and the camera. But I think I like that. I think I would definitely use it as a blush. I don't usually tend to go for the more shimmery, highlighty kind of blushes. I usually just stick to matte blushes. But that really feels good. And that is also cruelty free. It has the little leaping bunny symbol right down at the bottom there. I don't think you can see that, but it's right down there. With also your how long you can use. And, oh, the price for this, so it's Menakadar Pearlized Powder, and it's 3 grams, and it's $19 at the Menakadar, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly either, menakadarcosmetics.com. We got a teeny tiny little sample. I think this is, where's the card? It's a La Vera Firming Day Cream, so I'd definitely give that a go in the morning. See how that is. Oh, it's also vegan, so that's pretty good. So I guess that they won't test on animals if it's vegan. It's made in Germany. That's very, very interesting. And then last thing in the box is this Proactive toner, I think. I'm pretty sure this is a toner. Just this Proactive Tone. I've never used anything from the brand Proactive. I remember seeing lots of things on Facebook and like on TV about Proactive and how amazing it is. Oh wow, that's sealed. I want to smell this because I actually don't know. Oh, it smells really good. It smells clean. That is a full size as well, and that one costs $31.99 for this teeny tiny little bottle of Proactive. So the 3 full size items, which was the body wash, the Proactive, I'm pretty sure that's a full size because it says for 120 mils it's $31.99, so that's a full size. And for this, so for the 3 of these together, it costs $54.99. So I think for $17.50 this is an overall good box. Like, these are definitely things I could use, especially since they're more skincare things and, you know, body wash things. But I do think that this is going to be good. I'm just worried about this toner. I don't think this is going to be very good for dry skin because it's alcohol free, so that's pretty good. So I'll give that a go, see if I like it or not. I'm very scared that it might break me out because I have read reviews about this stuff and a lot of it was very negative. So, but I won't give any feedback on this until I 100% know. And that is all for today's video. I hope you guys like this, and please like and subscribe if you would like to see more.